Good morning, welcome back to another video. It's our day 2 here, and our plan is to go to the Meridian observatory, and that's where the east meets the west. We're just getting ready now. We're having a cold cut sando, or with chicken, ham, and pastrami. We bought this on our first day because we were like, okay, we can't always eat outside because it's gonna be super expensive. So yeah, this is our breakfast for right, and then yeah, I'm gonna see you there. Good morning. We are at the Greenwich Park now. We're just walking to the observatory, but we took the bus 53 from downtown, and the stop is just Greenwich Park. Pretty straightforward, and it took us like around 50 minutes bus ride. And then from here, from the main gate, you just have to walk in if you don't have a car. If you have a car, then there's a lot of parking lots over here, parking spaces. It's cold. It's cold.
A little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, this is a big park. Yeah, it's nice to have a picnic here. Right? That's a big tree over there. Okay.
A nice open area. Do a lot of activities on it. And it's nice that you don't hear cars. It makes you feel like you're really outside the city.
Yeah, it does. There's probably a lot of people, like, I don't know if this is if you can like go picnic here during summertime. I feel like it's gonna be a hot spot for that if it's allowed. So that's one of the things that you can do here, I think.
There's a tennis court.
Oh yeah, there's tennis court.
I know, hold them.
Hey, so we're inside now. There's not a lot of people right now yet. Maybe later on. And here's the line. This is where the east meets the west. Over in this line. Right here.
It's a pretty thick line.
Yeah. That's a kiss from the west side of the country and the east side of the country.
Whoa.
Oh no, not the country, the world actually.
Whoa.
Magic. We just finished at the observatory in the Greenwich Park. there's so many things that you can do. There's like Maritime Museum, there's the Queen's House, there's Planetarium, all of this stuff, and I think some of them are for free to go in, but then some has you have to pay. But yeah, definitely check that out. It's worth looking into it because it's in one area, but it's just all like walkable. And yeah, now we're going to the Greenwich market because we're both hungry. It's like almost 1, so that's what we're gonna do. We're at the Greenwich market now and we're eating this Turkish food called gözleme. The filling is meat and mushroom. It's like gyoza.
Really?
The dough. I feel like, yeah. It's doughy. No? I feel like it is. And also the filling, because it's like super like grinded together. It's good. I like it. So the food stalls are just like here. Good morning. Today we are at the Buckingham Palace, or like the area. We're touring the changing of guards and the place. Today started a little bit under the rainbow. Like I think we got food poisoned, and so we're not that energetic. But yeah, as you can hear, you can hear the band over here. That's the Irish band playing right now. I'm gonna show it to you when they get closer. But yeah, it's interesting to see this. She's on. So yeah, we're doing the tours by free tours by foot. They do like pay as you go tour kind of thing. So it's up to you what do you think the worth of the tour is. But yeah, we're just in front of the Buckingham Palace. I'm gonna show it to you. So right there, there's so many people like trying to see the soldiers, but not worth it. Not worth it to be there. Are you coming here? Where are you coming, man? Can you hold this? So big. Bye. We're not going to finish the rest of the tour just because we're really, really, really feeling bad, especially him. So we're just gonna go back to our place now, try to rest up and be okay. So hopefully we can go out a little later, but that's about it. Yeah, it sucked that it keeps happening to us. Like when we went to Mexico, we got food poisoning now, and it's just annoying. But we don't really know what it is, and yeah, we just got to deal with it. Anyway, we'll see you later if we ended up doing something or not. But yeah, bye for now.